Hello everybody. Now we will discuss about the topic that is a sequence series. Sequence series का shortcut trick that is a very आसान तरीका है. 2 सेकेंड within 2 सेकेंड से वो हो जाएगा. That is a 8 tricks I will tell. 8 ट्रिक्स मैं बताऊंगा. तो फर्स्ट ट्रिक क्या है? डिवाइड एंड डिफरेंस. दैट इज 2 स्टेप्स में होगा. स्टेप 1 डिवाइड करना है, स्टेप 2 डिफरेंस करना है. ओके, दैट इज द मेथड. फर्स्ट दैट इज क्वेश्चन, फाइंड 2 डिजिट नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 3. दैट शॉर्टकट में कैसे होगा? लेट्स स्टार्ट. दैट इज 2 digit smallest number, that is equal to 10, and step 1 that is and largest number that is 99, which divided by 3, that what will come, that remainder you have to not take, that is only that comes 3 divided by 3, that comes, that is 33. Simple difference, that is division is there and difference, that is what 33 minus 3 is equal to 30. That is how many 2 digit number divisible by 3, that is 30 the result. Simple. What the smallest digit divided by 3 and what the largest digit divided by 3 and take the difference, that value comes. आसान तरीका से. Another question you can take. Question, find 3 digit number divisible by 7. Means 3 digit smallest number क्या है? Now 3 digit smallest number, that is 100. That is 100 by 7. And 3 digit largest number क्या है? That is 999. So you have to divide here. What? 7 say, that is you have to divide. So what value comes? You tell me what value comes. Now you hear what the smallest is, that is 3 divided by 7. What the largest is, that is 999 divided by 7. So 7 से divide करने से 49. Delete the remainder. You have to take only the quotient. Here 999 divided by 7. What the value comes, that is 142. Remainder नहीं लेना है. So that is we have to 142 minus 14. So that is the result. Means what the result comes, that is 12, so that is 8. This is, that is 3, 3 7 get 2, 128. 128 the number, that number, that is 3 digit number divisible by 7. इतना number आएगा. So you traditional method में करने से भी इतना आएगा. Okay, this is the shortest technique. And so what the answer comes? How many? Okay. Numbers between 100 and 400 are divisible by 13. Question, this is question. So answer will come by using this method, that is 100 divided by 13, and step 1, that is 400 divided by 13. Then what the 13 7 j 91, 13 3 j means 30. Means 30 minus 7, that is equal to 23 is the answer. 23 is the answer. So that is very easy to calculate. Before, okay, 1 second भी हो जाएगा. Calculation strong है, division strong है, तो 1 second में होगा. Okay. That means simple question comes that how many number between 73 and 25557 are divisible by 5. Simple. What we'll do first, that means here 73 is there, 70 divisible, divided by 5, it comes to 14. Then similarly 2557 divisible by 5, so 5 5j, 5 1j, 5 1j, 5 1j. The remainder, delete the remainder. What the difference comes? 5 1 1. Difference, that is what value, that 11, so that is 7. Then is 10, 10 so 1 9. Then that is equal to what? That is here 1, here 5. Okay. Now this is here 5097 the answer. 5097 is the answer. That means 5097 number between 73 and 25557 are divisible by 5. This that number of okay, that number of numbers are present in between this. कितना number है इसका अंदर that divisible by 5 है. This is आसान तरीका है. Okay, this now comes to another trick, that is trick number. This is second trick. Trick number 2. What the tricks comes? If the question in format given, 2 एपी given, 2 एपी में SN दिया है, हमको N निकालना है और N का रेशियो दिया है, हमको SN निकालना है. तब SN का रेशियो दिया है, N निकाले, तब क्या करेंगे? In place of N, you have to write 2n minus 1, then you get the result. Or if n by n, that ratio is given, an का ratio, तब हमको मिलना है Sn का वैल्यू. तब क्या करेंगे ना, replace n by n plus 1 by 2. N plus, in place of n, you have to put n plus 1 by 2. You have to put n plus 1 by, so that here check the question. If the ratio of the sum of n terms of 2 AP, 2 AP दिया है, is 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15, then find a 12 of first AP, a 12 of second AP. What the result come by using this technique now? Here the answer come because here Sn का ratio given, so हमको in the place of n we have to plot that is equal to 2n minus 1. Means here 12 given, 12 is the n, here n is equal to 12. That means you have to put here that is a 2 into 12 minus 1. Okay, so that value comes, what the value here, 2 into 12, that is 24, that is 23. You have to put, okay, 23 means how that is given here, 3 into n place में लिखना है 23 plus 8 divided by n place में लिखना है, that is what, 7 into 23 plus 15. That means the result comes here, that you what the form comes, that is 2n minus 1. Here 2n minus 1 is the form. Here n is equal to 12. This is n. So that's why, that means 3 into, that is 3 in the n plus, that you have to write in this way. That is 23 plus 8 by 7 into 23 plus 15. That value is the result. That value is the result. What value comes? That 77 by, that is 69 plus 8, that is equal to 1, that is 2, 7, 41, 61 plus 15, that is 77 by 176. The result, that 7 से काटने से क्या होता है, तो 7 से इधर रेशियो है, 7 से काटने से शायद this is equal to 7, this is equal to 16, means 7 by 16 आ जाएगा this answer. You have to check in traditional method also. ट्रेडिशनल मेथड में हम करके चेक भी कर सकते हैं रिजल्ट कैसे आ रहे. ये चुटकी में हो रहे, मतलब 2 सेकंड से कम से वो काम हो रहे. कैलकुलेशन रन है तो 2 सेकंड से हो जाएगा. ओके, so this is the method. If n is to Sn is given, the Sn ratio is given, you have to find out An का ratio. Similarly, if An का ratio given, then how to find the Sn का ratio? If the question given, that is the ratio of n term of 2 appears, that is 2n plus 8 is to 5n minus 3 is given. 5n minus 3 is given. Then what we'll do? How can you find out the answer? Simple concept here. N is equal to 29. You have to replace in the place of n that is equal to n plus 1 by 2. It means n is equal to 29 plus 1 by 2, that is 15 comes. So according to the rule, you have to put in the place of n place में 15 लगता है, मतलब 2 into 15 plus 8 by 5 into 15 minus 3. Okay, that is equal to 38 by, yeah, that is a 72. 38 by 72 means 19 by 36 is the result. This is 19 by 36 is the result comes. This way you can do the question very easily. If SN का रेशियो दिया होगा तो AN निकालना, if AN का रेशियो दिया होगा तो SN लिखना, इधर वैल्यू दिया होगा तो तूने वैल्यू में किया. सपोज एन में फॉर्मेट में रखना है तो एक क्वेश्चन, दूसरा क्वेश्चन एन फॉर्मेट में रखना है तो बता दूंगा. नेक्स्ट ट्रिक नंबर 3 पे जाएंगे. ओके, नाउ यू हैव टू फाइंड योर एसएन. हाउ मींस हियर फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ nth term of 2 epi's. Okay, that is 2n plus 8 is to 5n minus 3. Then find, okay, SN of first AP by SN of second AP. Previous question में था SN का n का वैल्यू दिया होगा, but here n का वैल्यू दिया नहीं. So that's why you have to do, that means n place में n plus 1 you have to put. Means what the n ratio दिया होगा तो SN निकालना है, तो n का प्लेस में n plus 1 by 2 put करना. Simple, that much. So what the result comes, SN of first AC का result होगा 2 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 8 whole divided by, that is the 5 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 3. This is the result. This is the result. Means what? That is the, here you have to write 2 into n plus 1 by 2 plus 8 divided by 5 into n plus 1 by 2 minus 3. This is the result. You have to only put in place of n, that is equal to n plus 2 value. Okay. Now here the trick number 3 is there. This is important trick. That is it. Term P is equal to Q. Then term Q is equal to P. Means pth term is equal to Q and qth term is equal to P. Then tth term, rth term is equal to what? Then find rth term. This, if this, then this. Okay. This is the technique. Means P plus Q minus R. Here similarly T63 question that T63 minus 63 term is equal to 14 and 14 term is equal to 16. Then what the value of term 101 means what? That answer comes what? That is term 101. It means P is, this is P, that is 63. This is Q, that is equal to 14 minus R. What the R value? 101. R value is equal to 101. The value comes, that is the 77 minus 101. That means here that is 23 plus 1. 24 is the answer. 24 is the answer. That is the minus 24 is the answer. The answer comes minus 24. That is also easy. Here question given. What question given? That is if T 2020 is equal to 104 and T 104 is equal to 2020, then find T 2220 is equal to kitna? That means here answer comes, what the answer? That is the T2220 is equal to, the value comes what? That is here P2020 plus, that is equal to Q104. This is equal to what is the R 2220. That's why the result comes 2 1, okay, 2124 minus 2 220. That value here simple, that 0 is there, that is equal to 6, 0 so that is equal to 6, then this is 1 1 when that is 12, so that is there 1 है ना नहीं है. So what is the value? Yes, simple, you can say 220, it is 2124, you can say that is 20, that is 6 come, this is 1 1 होगा तो 11 11 से गया that is 2, that is 9, here that is equal to 1 1 से गया 0. So simple, the value comes 96 the result. That means that is the tricks you have to use by taking this trick. Another question you can do, that what, now this is the trick here, you can do the answer. What question comes? T80 is equal to 126, T126 is equal to 80, then find T541. That is here T541 is equal to P, that is equal to 80, Q that is equal to 126 minus 541. What the result come? That is 206 minus 541, means 541 से 206 गया, that is 11 से 6 गया 5, 3 है, this is here 5 से 3 है, means that is equal to minus 335 the result. It comes to minus 335 the result. This is the concept comes, means 541 is equal to 80 plus 126 minus 544. That means here this is small, this is large, that is it minus 335. In this way you can calculate the answer. This is the आसान तरीका है. So you can do also another question in same way. Just like if you think about the question 4, if T10 is equal to 20 and T20 is equal to 10, then find, okay, T30, what the value? That means here answer, according to the answer, T30 is equal to, that is it to, okay, 10 plus 20 minus 30, which is equal to 0. The result comes 0. This trick you have to follow. This trick you have to follow. Whatever the negative value comes or whatever the positive value comes, write in this way. These are the okay 3 tricks very important for IIT JEE, okay, NDA and CDS and other exam. Okay, that is competitive exam. This is important sequence series mein. This is very important. This technique is based on AP, arithmetic progression. AP का ट्रिक है, ठीक है, AP का ट्रिक है, arithmetic progression का ये ट्रिक है. सीक्वेंस एंड सीरीज में arithmetic progression, geometric progression एंड ओके हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेशन आता है. तो इसका अंदर वो आता है. This is the arithmetic progression. Okay. If the question comes under the arithmetic progression, you do that. This is under the arithmetic progression in AP. Then that time you can do the question very easily. That is three tricks are very important tricks. You do the practice and you get answer within 2 seconds. इससे और सुविधा मेथड नहीं है. Okay, you have to do that. Another 3 tricks will tell, okay, in next video. Please, if you are not till now subscribe, please subscribe and give more support for me. Okay, thank you very much.